Hey, hello guys, welcome to Showing the Torco exclusive. This is Showing the Thor. Let's get started. So, guys, today I do discuss one another topic. Basically, we face a lot of time. So, guys, whenever we talk to someone with the help of English language, at that point of time some specific person, I mentioned guys, specific, some particular specific person try to showing themselves to other person that they are very efficient of this particular English language. But my suggestion guys, my suggestion is to everyone, whenever you want to try to speak in English to someone, at that point of time guys, you should choose easy word rather tough word. Such as, I give you example. Suppose I turn up, while I turn up in front of this person, at that point of time, immediately this person shut their mouth. So, this sentence, if you do watch carefully, if you do listen carefully, then in this language I use particular phrasal verb. That is turn up. Turn up means, turn up, what is the meaning of turn up? Turn up is I present. Okay, I appear. So if you do use appear or present, then it would be easy to understand to someone. You have to mind it in your, if you have to mind it in your mind. Maximum persons could not very well to speak in English. So that's why I suggest you, whenever you want to talk to English to other person, you should choose easy word rather in tough word. If you do that, so it will be benefited for you, because communication is one kind of medium. I already told you lot of time. So whatever you wanna try to speak, other person should have understood it. If you do use tough word, then how can understand other person? It's quite obvious. So that's why I suggest you, always you to choose easy word rather tough word. In my opinion, in my perspective, I always choose an easy word rather any tough word. And I hope you see right now, whatever I am talking to you guys, whatever I choose the word, whatever I am throwing the word is a normal word. Hope all of you know this word. So that's why I choose this easy word. So that's why, the reason why I suggest you guys, whatever you talk to other person, the word should be easy. not any tough word. You don't show off to other person you are very efficient, you are very affluent of English language. No, not at all. My suggestion is you don't pretend like that. It seems very rude, guys. It seems very rude. So I do suggest you always maintain a easy word rather than any tough word. So guys, this is all about of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you already use easy word, then guys, you do comment right now in below. And if you do that, I hope so many spectators do that, so I get to know, I want to get know actually you do or not. So leave the comment below. So with this I have to wrap up, guys. I will be back soon with another topic regarding this. Goodbye.